Good morning, students. Myself Sanjay Kumar Tiwari, teacher of English Language and Literature, welcoming you to e-learning classes of St. Michael Academy. Students, we have been uploading different videos related to different subjects for enhancing your knowledge and making you ready for facing the examinations. Students, today I have decided to teach you a lesson by James Herriot entitled A Triumph of Surgery. Students, this lesson is a lesson of irony where there has been no surgery, no operation, and there is no use of any kind of medicine. The lesson starts with Tricky, a dog owned and possessed by a very fashionable lady, namely Pumphrey. Pumphrey loves the dog very much and she overfeeds her after warning and after instructions given by the narrator, who himself is author as well as veterinary surgeon. Students, you must know that there are two wings of medical science. First one is physician and the second one is surgeon. Surgeon is responsible for all kinds of operations, where physician gives you suggestion regarding your disease, regarding your just health declination. Students, Pumphrey overfeeds Tricky in a very wrong notion. She thinks that overfeeding may keep Tricky healthy, wealthy and wise. Sometimes she makes her visit to her family doctor, James Herriot, who has played a role of veterinary surgeon in this lesson. The surgeon makes it clear that you have to follow two instructions, cut the menu and get the Tricky regular exercises at any cost. Mrs. Pumphrey comes back. She follows the instructions given by the doctor for 1 or 2 days, and ultimately she is influenced by other ideas, other wrong notion, and she starts overfeeding the dog, and the result is that the dog is in trouble. The dog becomes fat and he is unable to move as normal dogs move. This makes Mrs. Pumphrey very serious and very worried. She just again goes to the doctor, where doctor inquires about the instructions. Mrs. Pumphrey smiles beautifully and tells that she followed the instruction for 1 or 2 days and ultimately she denied by any reason. It so happens that again the doctor gives suggestion and suggests Mrs. Pumphrey to follow the instructions if she wants the dog to remain in complete and good health. The doctor always inquires about the progress because he is very much concerned with the family of Mrs. Pumphrey, and they have always telephonic conversation where just progress report is submitted on telephone. But this is not going to be fruitful because Mrs. Pumphrey is a different kind of lady. She is not going to follow the instructions for all the time, or you can say until unless the result is going to be in favor of the dog, namely Tricky. Students, Mrs. Pumphrey is not a lady who can be persuaded easily for any kind of favor, either for animals or for human being. The situation, physical situation of Tricky becomes very much serious, and it so happens that she again calls the doctor at this time makes a plan. You will be surprised to know that what was the plan. The plan was to keep Tricky under his supervision. This plan is made for enhancing the physical strength of the dog in very positive manner, and this plan is very much clear. The doctor is very much firm that at this time he is not going to give any suggestion, rather he will take Tricky to his clinic where other dogs are also just trying their level best to get their health improved. He wants to keep Tricky under his close supervision, you can say strict supervision also, and this is going to give Mrs. Pumphrey a frank of separation that she is not easily persuaded or easily ready to go with and to part with Tricky. But there is no way to go out, and she is bound at last to follow the instruction and command of the doctor, and the command is that Tricky has to be taken to his clinic. For that there needs a special kind of preparation. Many things you can say regarding toys, rubber rings, breakfast bowl, lunch bowl, and so many different clothes. They are fully packed in the car, and Tricky is taken to the clinic. When Tricky is being separated, or you can say